students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's topic of discussion is mixers and alligations. Concepts and questions will discover in this session. Before we start today's session, we request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you get notifications of all the videos that are uploaded on this channel. Now look at the first example on your screen. Here directions are given. Select the correct alternative from the given choices. A vessel contains alcohol solution in which there is 90 liters of alcohol. The ratio of alcohol and the water is 18:5. 18:5 is the ratio of the alcohol and the water. Total alcohol content is 90, means 18 parts is equal to 90. Alcohol and water. 18:5 is the ratio. 18 parts is equal to 90. 18 parts is equal to 90 means 1 part is equal to 90 by 18, that is 5. So 5 parts is equal to question mark, means 5 into 5, that is 25 liters. When 18 parts is equal to 90, 5 parts is equal to 25 liters. Now, if 23 liters of the solution is taken out and 4 liters of water is added, the quantity of water in the resultant solution is what percent of that of alcohol? Okay, water, that of alcohol, percentage to be found. This is the question we need to simplify. Right, 23 liters of solution is taken out. 23 liters of solution is taken out means in this 23 liters, alcohol and water mixture is given, mixture is there, that will be in the form of 18:5. So 23 liters is taken out means what is the quantity of alcohol, means 18 by sum of the ratios. Simplify, it is 18 liters. And what about the water value? Water is equal to remaining, that is 5 liters. So 18 plus 5, 23 liters. Now what is saying here? 23 liters is taken out means subtract 18 liters of alcohol and 5 liters of water. Then 4 liters of water is added. Now 4 liters of water is added. Simplify this. What is the simplification? 90 minus 18, that is 72. 25 minus 5, 20 plus 4, that is 24. Now in the new solution, water is 24 liters, alcohol is 72 liters. Just find out the water quantity upon alcohol. Means 24 by 72 into 100. 24 it goes exactly 3 times in 72, 1 by 3. By using the percentage values of the reciprocals, 1 by 3 is equal to 33, 1 by 3%. Right choice, option number 4. Choice 4 is the right answer. Okay, am I clear? 18:5 is the ratio of the alcohol and the water. 18 parts is equal to 90 liters. Then find the 5 parts. 1 part is equal to 5. 5 parts means 25. Now 23 liters is taken out means in that 23 liters, it will have alcohol and water in the combination of 18:5 ratio. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. A vessel contains a mixture of milk and water in the ratio 7:3. So milk and the water ratio, that is 7:3. 24 liters of this solution, this mixture is taken out and 6 liters of water is added. The ratio of milk and water in the resultant solution is 3:2. Now what is the quantity of water in the resultant mixture? Just to find the quantity of the water in the resultant mixture. Okay. Now let's begin. Look at 7:3, that is the ratio of the milk and water. So, I am taking here 7K and 3K. 7K and 3K. 24 liters of mixture is taken out. So, 24 liters is taken out means in this 24 liters, how much is the water and how much is the milk and how much is the water means milk is 24 into 7 by sum of the ratios. 7 by sum of the ratios means 7:3 is the ratio of milk and water. So, 7 by 10. Now, 7 times of 20, 140 plus 28, that is 168. 168 by 10, which is 16.8 liters. When 24 liters of mixture is taken out, in that 16.8 liters of milk is present. So, here 16.8 liters of milk is taken out. And what about the water? Water is 3 parts. 3 parts means 3 into 24, that is 72 by 10 means 7.2. So, 7.2 water is taken out. When 24 liters of mixture is taken out, so 16.8 liters of milk and 7.2 liters of water present in that 24 liters. Then what happened here? Now water is added. How much water is added? 6 liters of water is added. Just add 6 liters. Now it is equal to the given ratio. What is the ratio? The ratio of the milk and water now it is 3:2. Just equate it to 3:2. By doing cross multiplication, we get K value. Now simplify this. 2 times of 7, that is 14K. 2 times of 16, 32 plus 1.6, 33.6. Equal to 3 times of 3K, and 7.2 and 6, the difference is 1.2. 1.2 into 3, that is 3.6. By taking variables on one side, numbers on the other side, 14K minus 9K, that is 5K. 5K is equal to 30. The value of K, it is 6. The value of K is 6. When K is equal to 6, what is the quantity of water in the resultant mixture? Resultant mixture, what is the quantity of water? Mixture, now here 3K. 3K means 3 into 6. 3K means 3 into 6 minus 7.2 plus 6 means minus 1.2. When you subtract 1.2 from 18, so what is the result? It is a 16.8 liters. It is 16.8 liters. Right choice, option number 5. Fifth choice is the answer. Am I clear? 24 liters is taken out. From in the 24 liters, how much is the milk? 16.8. What about the water? The remaining is the water. That is 7.2 liters. So, just subtracting 16.8 and 7.2, adding 6 liters and equating it to the given ratio, we can find the value of K. Using that, we can answer the question. Okay. Now, look at the next example on your screen. Question number 3. 2 vessels X and Y contain alcohol and water mixed in the ratio 7:4 and 8:5. X data and this is the Y data of Y. 7:4 in the X vessel and 8:5 in the vessel Y. What is the content here? Alcohol and water. The ratio in which these two mixers should be mixed to get the new mixer containing 62 1/2% of the alcohol. 62 1/2% means 62.5%. So, 62 1/2 means 62.5%. Okay. Dear student, just apply the alligation method. You will get answer easily. Vessel X, please look at the board carefully. What is the alcohol in the vessel X? 7 parts out of total 11 parts. 7:4 means 7 by 7 plus 4, that is 11. In the vessel Y, alcohol is 8 parts and total 8 plus 5, 13. Now by mixing these two, here is getting a new mixer which is of 62.5% of alcohol. Now 62.5% means the equivalent fractional value is 5 by 8 in reciprocals, in percentage values of the reciprocals. So 5 by 8 is equal to 62.5%. So 5 by 8. Just observe the difference here. 7 by 11, 5 by 8. The difference of these two. Here denominators 11 into 8, of course 88. 8 into 7, 56. 5 into 11, 55. 55 and 56, the difference is 1. Similarly, just observe the difference of these two. 8 into 13 is the LCM. Now 8 into 8, 64. 13 into 5, 65. The difference is 1. Simplify this, you will get ratio. Here 8 is common, both sides gets cancelled. By doing cross multiplication, it will give 11:13. 11:13, what is the right choice? Yes, you are right. Option number 5. Fifth choice is the right answer. Okay. Just by observing the alcohol content in the X vessel and the Y vessel and the new mixer. Okay, move on to the next example. A barrel contains 90 liters of pure wine. Okay, 9 liters of wine is replaced with water and this process is repeated one more time. Find the concentration of wine in the resultant solution. It's a very simple and easy question. Looks tricky, but very simple. 90 liters is the initial quantity. 9 liters is taken out one time and the same process repeated one more time, means total 2 times it is repeated. So what is the concentration means? So concentration, please note down, concentration of wine we can find just by using this formula. So P minus Q by P whole power N. Whole power N. What is a P? P is the initial quantity. P is the initial quantity. Initial quantity. How much is the initial quantity here? Initial quantity is 90 liters. What about the Q? Q is replaced one. What is the replaced quantity? Replace. So what is that replace here? 9. Substitute, simplify. 90 minus 9 by 90 whole power 2. What is the cancellation? 90 minus 9, that is 81. 81 by 90. 81 by 90 means simplify. So 9 times, 9 here 10 times. So 9 square 81 by 10 square 100. 81 by 100 which is equal to 81%. The right choice is option number 3. For example, if the same process is further one more time repeated, means in place of 2 just take 3. The n will become 3 if the same process repeated one more time. Am I clear? So this is the formula to find the concentration of wine in the resultant. Okay. Now we'll move to the next example. 70 liters of mixer contains milk and water, with water being 20%. 70 liters of a mixer. That is the total quantity. In that water is 20%. So milk and water, in that 20% is the water, means remaining 80% is the milk. What is the ratio? 4:1 is the ratio. Total quantity is 70. 70 liters divide based on the given ratio 4:1. 4:1 means 4 plus 1, 5. Simplify, it goes exactly 14 times. 14 into 4, 56 liters. Here it is a 14 liters. Okay. Or you can do 70 liters, 20%, that is a 14. Directly by using percentage also you can do. So 70 into 20%, that is a 14. The remaining is 56. Okay. Now 25 liters of mixture is removed. 25 liters of mixture is removed. So when 25 liters of mixture is removed, in that 25 liters, how much is the milk and how much is the water? That is in the 4:1 ratio. So let me try here. Now milk, that is a 4 by sum of the ratios. Simplify. It was how many times? 5 times. So what is the milk here? In 25 liters of a mixture, 20 liters of milk is present. So subtract 20 liters of milk. Just subtract 20 liters of milk. And what about the water? Water is the 5 liters. Am I right? Then what is the next point here? 15 liters of water and 30 liters of pure milk are added. 15 liters of water and 30 liters of pure milk are added. I am adding 30 and 15 here. Then find the percentage of milk in the new mixture. Milk in the total quantity. Percentage to be found. Percentage means per every 100. Now simplify this. What is the result? 15 minus 5, that is 10. 10 plus 12, 24 liters of water. 30 minus 20, 10. 10 plus 56, that is 66. So milk quantity, milk is 66. Total means sum of these two. Sum of these two is equal to how much? That is 90 into 100. Simplify, 0 and 0 get cancelled. 3 here, 3 times, 3, 22 times. 220 by 3. 220 by 3 means 70 times of 3 is equal to 210 and 3 1 by 3 means the right answer option number 4, 73 1 by 3%. 73 1 by 3%, choice 4 is the right answer. Okay. Now we will move to the next example. Let's try the next question. A vessel contains 160 liters of pure acid. If X liters of acid is removed and Y liters of water is added, then the ratio of the acid to the water will be 5:3. Let me write this stuff first. I will write the step here. 160 liters, that is the initial quantity, pure acid. X liters is taken out. Then Y liters of water is added. Am I right? It will become 5:3. So this is the condition number 1. Am I clear? 160 is the initial quantity. X liters is taken out. It is a pure acid. X liters is taken out and Y liters of water is added, then becomes 5:3. Now second, instead, had 2x liters of acid is been removed and 5/6 liters of water was added, the ratio would have been 4:5. In the same 160 liters, what happened here? Instead of X, now he is removing 2x. And how much water is added? 5/6 times of Y. Then the ratio, that is 4:5. Then what is the value of X? X value to be found. My dear students, you can simplify. Here I gave the equations, you can simplify this. Let me try here. 3 times of 160, that is 480, minus 3x is equal to 5y. What is the equation? 3x plus 5y is equal to 480. Am I right? This is the first equation by using the condition 1. Other side. 5 times of 160, that is 800, 5 into 2, 10x is equal to 5y by 6 into 4. Okay. Now solving this. 2 it goes exactly 2 times here, 2 here 3 times. On solving this, the result is 3 times of 3 times of 800, that is 2400 minus 30x is equal to 10y. So what is the equation means? Just I will write here. 30x plus 10y is equal to 2400. Am I right? What is the first equation? 3x plus 5y is equal to how much? 480. The value of x to be found means eliminate the y. How to eliminate the y means multiplying the first equation with 2. When you multiply the first equation with 2, y gets cancelled. Then what is the next here? 30x minus 6x. 30 minus 6. So what is the result? 30 minus 6 is equal to 24x. And here 2 times of 480. 2 times of 480 means 960. 960 is 40 less than 1000. Whereas it is 1400 more than 1000. 1400 plus 40. So 1440. Now cancellation. It goes exactly 60 times. The value of x is 60. Now what is the right choice? Yes, option number 1. Choice 1 is the correct answer. Okay. Am I clear? Now look at the next example. A goldsmith mixes 2 types of gold, gold A and gold B, in quantities in grams or in the ratio 8:5. So gold A and gold B quantities are in the ratio 18:5. If 27.6 grams of gold is removed from the mixer and 3 grams of A and 5 grams of B are added, the final mixer contains 75% of gold A. Then what was the initial quantity of gold A in grams? Okay. Now what is the initial quantity of gold A and gold B? 18:5. So 18:5 is the gold A and gold B. So 18K and 5K. Am I clear? Now from this 27.6 grams of gold is removed. 27.6 grams are removed means in that 27.6 grams gold A and gold B in the ratio 18:5 only. So here what is the gold A quantity means 18 by sum of the ratios. So gold A quantity. So what is the result? Here 23, it goes exactly 12 times. 12 times of 23, that is 276. 1 time of 23, 23, 46 means 2 times. 12 into 18, that is a 216. So 216 is the quantity. 216 means 21.6. So 18K minus 21.6. And what is the gold B? That is the 5K. In 27.6, 21.6 is a gold A, means remaining is how much? Remaining is equal to, that is a gold B, 6. Then what happened here? Now removed and 3 grams of gold A and 5 grams of gold B are added. Here 3 grams added, whereas other side 5 grams of gold B added. Then the final mixer contains 75% of the gold A. 75% means gold A is 75% means gold B is equal to how much? 25%. The ratio is 3:1. 3:1 is the ratio. Yes, my dear students, simplify this. On solving this, we get the value of K. We can find the value of K on solving this. So 1 time of 18, that is 18K. 21 minus 3. It is a 18.6. Okay. Then 3 times of 5, it is a 15K. Minus 6 plus 5, that is a 1. 1 into 3, that is a minus 3. By taking numbers on one side and the variables other side, 18 minus 15, that is 3K. 3K is equal to 18 minus 3, that is 15.6. What is the cancellation? It goes exactly 5.2 times. 3 it goes 5.2 times, that is the value of K. Now, what was the initial quantity of gold? A. So, initial quantity of gold A means now it is 18K, where K value is equal to 5.2. So, 5.2 into 18, 5 times of 18, 90, 2 times of 18, 36, 3.6, 90 plus 3.6. 90 plus 3.6, that is 93.6 grams. So, right choice option number 2. Second choice is the correct answer. Okay. Done. Now, we will move to the next example, question number 8. A container contains a mixer in which milk is 60%. 60% is the milk. Milk is given here 60%. Milk is 60% means the remaining is water. What is the remaining here? Water. So, water is how much? 40%. What is the ratio? 3:2. 3:2 means 3K and 2K are the quantities. Now, after 50% of the mixture is taken out, removed means taken out, 20 liters of water is added, the concentration of milk in the mixer becomes 55%. Find the quantity of milk initially. Initially, what is the quantity of milk? If you observe, 50% of the solution is removed. What is the total quantity of the solution? 3K plus 2K, that is 5K. So, total quantity is equal to 5K. From this 5K, 50% is taken out. 50% is taken out means, so 5K by 2. When you are taking 50%, in that milk and water will be in the ratio 3:2. So, 3:2 means now milk is equal to 3 by sum of the ratios. This is the milk quantity. Now, simplification, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 3 by 2 means 1.5K. 1.5K. So, how much milk is taken out? 1.5K is taken out when 50% of the solution is taken out. The remaining is What is the remaining here? Remaining is the water. Water is equal to how much means? 5K by 2 into 2 by 5. The result is K. Now, K is the water and milk is equal to 1.5K. Just observe. What is the discussion here? Now, when taken out, the milk concentration, of the milk will be how much? 55%. Now, look at this one. 3K minus 1.5K by and 2K, that is the water, minus K plus 20 liters of water is added. 20 liters of water is added, then the result is 55%. 55% means milk is 55, the remaining is water, that is 45%. Simplify by 11 times and 9 times by doing cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication here, 3 minus 1.5, that is 1.5K into 9 is equal to 2K minus K, that is the K plus 20 into 11. Solving this, 9 times of 15, that is 135. 135 means 13.5K is equal to 11k plus 220. By taking k on one side, 2.5k is equal to 220. 2.2k is equal to 220. What is the value of k? What is the value of k means, now simplify this. 2200 by 25 means it goes exactly 4 times. K is equal to 88. K is equal to 88. When k is equal to 88, milk initially means 3k. 3k means 3 into 88. 3 into 80, 240 plus 24. 240 plus 24, 264 liters. Right choice, option number 4. Choice 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Am I clear? Right. Now, dear students, please subscribe to Time for Bank Exams to get videos on bank and SSC, CGL, insurance, railway and other related exams. Now, the videos are available on the social media, that is the Telegram channel, YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. The links are given in the description box. Please subscribe to our channel so that you get more number of videos. Okay. For classroom coaching, do contact your nearest time center. For online courses, you can enroll at t4e.info/bank SSC online. Okay. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you. Have a nice day. All the best.